Guys, I want to tell you something. I got Geometry Dash and my new phone. Where was it? Here. You know it's impossible, but I did it. And Minecraft, I did, and that downloaded Minecraft and Minecraft trial for free. Not in happymod, that this time Google and the trial from happymod. And you know how I installed Geometry Dash 4 version on my new phone by using happymod. So if you really want Geometry Dash and you're a gamer and need a Geometry Dash, then go and install happymod if you wanna install it on your phone. So I'm recording a video. My mom's been talking to me, and she says, "What are you recording?" And yeah. Trying to make subscribers. 36. 39.
40?
No, 39. Elias Tourette X9.
Yes.
Can you just go to Mom?
Just go to.
Don't just search. Just go to here and go from here.
Let me show you من
Right. It's too easy.
39 subscribers.
See ya.